morning. Okay, so today I'm in Kachanaburi. I think that's how you say it. And we're gonna be going to the one of the most famous waterfalls in Thailand. It's the Erawan waterfall. It's not just outside Kachanaburi, it's like an hour drive on a scooter. You get the scooter. I mean, like yesterday we went to some waterfalls. I think I'm gonna insert some footage. We came to the Death Railway, I think, and just the view. Look at the view. So beautiful. But we went to some waterfalls, which I thought we were going to the Erawan waterfall, but we went to, I think it's like Soyok waterfall or something like that. And then we went to the Death Railway and we went to a super nice cafe, which was so beautiful. Like I talked to the owner and like he has a dog, like it's so cute. It's like local. The quality of the coffee is so great, and like the place, it's amazing. So that's what we're gonna do next. Let's go. Let's go. Then we have to explore traveling. I don't want to be traveling like this. It's tough. It's tough. We reached the first waterfall. Okay, wow. Look at that. Look at this. This is so beautiful. And that's the first level. And it's already so beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? We've made it. Next stop 6 and 7 level, which is the last one. So far, number 5 was a little bit of a disappointment because it's really small. But I think this number 7 is the best one. So let's see how it's gonna look like. But honestly, this place is so beautiful. Like it's so worth it. It cost 300 baht for tourists to enter. And there's 7 levels of waterfalls. So far the number 2 I think was the best. We went for a swim, it was beautiful, it's like deep, and the fish here, they eat your dead skin, which is crazy, which is weird to me. I've never had this experience. Kom on, djunglusnoras. What do you think?
Nothing.
Nothing? So there you go. Which was your favorite waterfall?
Number 2.
Yeah, number 2 like me. The best.